Hey guys, and welcome to this video. 80 divided by 2 times 5 plus 5 in parentheses. So 5 plus 5 gives us 10. Now 80 divided by 2 times 10. Now 10 times 2 gives us 20, and 80 divided by 20 gives us 4. But this answer is not correct. According to the rules of mathematics PEMDAS, we have to solve this math expression in this way. First parenthesis, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and then addition or subtraction. Now, according to this rule, we have one parenthesis here that we have to solve it first. So, 5 plus 5 gives us 10. Now we have 80 divided by 2 times 10. According to the PEMDAS, this rule, we know that multiplication and division are equally important. So we have to solve from left to right. Now, 80 divided by 2 gives us 40. And now 40 times 10 gives us 400. The final answer is 400. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like this video.